Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix SOS only issue on iPhone iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have disabled cellular data and enable it again. It is simple step but often works, especially if it is a network error that causing the SOS only text to appear. Turning off the cellular data and turning it back on will force the phone to establish fresh connection, which could ultimately fix up the error. Then second solution, you have turned off and on airplane mode. The fastest way to restart or your wireless connection. Expect Bluetooth is to turn off the airplane mode and turn it back on. Doing this can help to remove the SOS only iPhone issue. So you have open the setting and then you have turn on and off 2 or 3 times airplane mode, then your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, their third solution, you have restart your iPhone. This is one troubleshooting method that works at almost every time. You are basically reset the caches when you reboot the iPhone. This can resolve settings error and packs hence fixing the SOS only issue and ensuring a stable network connection. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then fourth solution, you have remove SIM card and reinstall insert it again. It usual for a physical SIM card to catch network connectivity issues. It can happen though, and when it does, what you can do is to remove the SIM card and then put it back inside. This can help resolve the SOS only issue, but if your iPhone uses a eSIM, avoid resetting it if your carrier does not say so. So then last solution, you have reset network settings. The solution that may finally get rid of the SOS issues could probably be resetting your network settings. Yes, this could turn off SOS only because it erases every connection it has made. Note that this action will also erase your entire iPhone's network data, including Wi-Fi password, VPN configuration, connected Bluetooth devices, and any other network settings. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on reset transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network settings. So you have hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.